Let us see the next question. The following data are available for Thermal Plastic Limited, a company that is expected to pay dividend. Spot price of equity share is 120. Exercise price is 110. Rate of interest is 14%. Time period is 9 months for the option. Standard deviation is given, that is 0.40. Amount of dividend is given 5 rupees and it is expected to be paid in 4 months. Call premium and put premium is required to be found. I request you to do first 5 steps on your own. Chalo, let us start doing answer. Step number 1. Calculation of revised spot price of equity share. That is the step number 1. It will be calculated as given spot price minus dividend per share into e raised to negative RF into t. This is the formula. The given spot price of the equity share is 120 minus dividend per share is 5 into e raised to negative RF, that is negative 0.14, into time period, that is 4 months. So 4 divided by 12. So 120 minus 5 into e raised to negative 0.0467. This is the way we have the factor. However, directly 0.0467 will not be available with us. So we have to do interpolation of 0.04 and 0.05. So 120 minus 5 into e raised to, now what is the value for that? So I am doing a small working over here. It is e raised to negative 0.04, then e raised to negative 0.05, and then we will do interpolation. So here 0.04, for that, so this is the factor, and 0.05, this is the factor. So we are required to do interpolation of both of them. So over here we'll compute the difference, 0.96079 minus 0.95123. So it is 0.00956. Now we understand that with the increase in the cost of capital, the factor will fall down. So we will have the factor like this, 0.96079 minus 0.00956 divided by 0.01 into 0.0066 or 67. So 0.96079 minus 0.00956 divided by 0.01 into 0.0067. So 0.064052. It is deducted from 0.96079. So the answer is 0.9543848. So 0.9543848. So 120 minus 0.9543848 into 5, that is 4 rupees 77 paise. So 120 minus 4.77, That comes to 115.23. That is the way we are required to compute the revised spot price in step number 1. Step number 2. Calculation of e raised to negative RF into T. E raised to negative RF is what? It is 14%. And what is the time period? Time period is 9 months. So e raised to negative 0.1050. So in that case, we have to take the 10%, 11% and then again interpolate. E raised to negative 0.10, e raised to negative 0.11. As it is exactly in between, so we can take average. So it is 90484, 89583. So over here it is 0.90484 and 89583. Okay. So now we will do an interpolation between both of them. It is simple average because it is exactly in between. So 0.90484 plus 0.89583 whole divided by 2. Point 900,335. This is the way we compute the e raised to negative RF into T. Just a small clarification. This is what's the factor for 4%. And we require the factor of 4.67. That is the reason we are required to deduct it, because with the increase in the cost of capital, present value factor will fall down. Friends, in case of like 10.5%, so 10.5 is exactly falling between 10 and 11. So we can take average of both of them. Or otherwise, if at all you do interpolation, you will get the same answer. See, if at all you do interpolation, 0.10, 0.11, both of them have a difference of 0.01. This is 0.90484 and this is 0.89583. First of all, we compute difference of both of them. It is 0.00901. Okay. Now it is 0.1050. So exactly it is half. So we understand that it is 0.90484 minus 0.00901 divided by 0.01 into 0.005. So it is 0.90484 minus 0.00901 divided by 0.01 into 0.005. So 0.004505. It is deducted from 0.90484. So 0.900335. This is also the way you can do it if at all you do not want to do average. Step number 3. Calculation of ln S divided by E. So it is spot divided by exercise. So over here it is 115.23. Now throughout the question we will follow so this only 115.23 as if we have not been provided with the 20 information at all. We have to throughout the question use the revised spot price. divided by exercise price 110. So now 115.23 upon 110. So 1.0475. 04754. Then, so this is A. Then we understand that it is under root for 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then in C step, deduct 1. So this answer is 1.12341134033. Deducting 1.4 times 0, 1134033. Then the final answer is 12341134033 into 4096. So the final answer is 0.04645. That is the way we'll make the computation of the answer for ln S divided by E. Step number 3. So step number 4. Calculation of D1. It will be found like this. ln S divided by E plus RF plus variance divided by 2 whole into time period divided by under root of time period into standard deviation. So ln S divided by E is 0.04645. Plus RF. RF stands for the risk-free rate of return, which is provided as 14%. Plus variance. Variance is square of 0.4 divided by 2 whole into time period. Time period is 9 divided by 12. Only for once we had to use 4 divided by 12 in dividend. The rest everywhere it is 9 divided by 12. Whole divided by under root of 9 divided by 12 into 0.40. This is the way we are required to calculate the answer. So square of 0.4 is 0.16 divided by 2. So 0.08 plus 0.14. So it is 0.22 into 0.75. So 0.165. 0.04645 divided by under root of 0.75 into 0.40. So 0.3464. So 0.04645 plus 0.165 upon 0.3464, 0.6104. This is the way the D1 value will be found. Next, step number 5. Calculation of ND1. So D1 and Z table reading. So 0.61. So 0.2291 and then 0.62, 2324. So 0.61, 0.62. So 0.2291 and 0.2324. With that, so we'll make the calculation of ND1. So the difference is 0.01 and this difference is 0.2324 minus 0.2291. So 0.0033. So the final answer is 0.2291 plus 0.0033 divided by 0.01 into 0.0004. This is the way we will have the answer. 0.0033 into 0.0004 upon 0.01. So 0.2291 plus 0.0001. So 0.2292. This is the way we will have 0.6101 reading. Now ND1 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.2292, that is 0.7792. Sorry, 7292. That is the way ND1 will be found. So step number 6. Calculation of D2. It is D1 minus under root of time period into standard deviation. What is D1 value? 6104 minus under root of 0.75 into standard deviation is 0.40. So 0.6104 minus 0.3464. So it is 0.2640. Then step number 7 is ND2. So D2 value and Z table reading. Okay. Next, D2 is 0.26 and 0.27. So for 26 it is 1026 and 1064. Difference of both of them will be found. Point 0038. This is difference of 0.01. So the final answer is 0.1026 plus 0.0038 divided by 0.01 into 0.004. 0.1026 plus 0.00152. So the final answer is 0.1041. And based on that, so we'll make the calculation of ND2. It is 0.50 plus 0.1041. So 0.6041. That is the way ND2 is found. Step number 8. Calculation of value of call. spot into ND1 minus E into ND2 into E raised to negative RF into T. Spot price of the equity share is 115.23 into ND1. It is 0.7292. Exercise price is 110 into ND2 is 0.6041 into E raised to negative RF into T. It is 0.900335. So 0.900335. So 115.23 into 0.7292. So 84.03 minus 110 into 0.6041 into 0.900335. So it is 59.83. 84.03 minus 59.83. So it is 24.20. The next is a put premium. Put premium will be found like this. Value of put plus spot price is equal to present value of exercise price plus value of call. Value of put is equal to exercise price into E raised to negative RF into T plus value of call minus spot price. What is exercise price? 110 into E raised to negative RF 0.14 into time period is 9 divided by 12 plus value of the call is 24 rupee 20 paise minus spot price is 115.23. This is the way we have to keep the equation. So 110 into 0.900335 plus 24.20 minus 115.23. 110 into 0.900335 plus 24.2 minus 115.23. The final answer is 8 rupees. That is where the put premium can be found. Let us have a quick revision. Step number 1 is applicable this time. Calculation of the revised spot price of equity share. In that, we are required to discount the dividend amount by using the 4 months time period. So just be careful for that, friends. A small interpolation was also a new point that we had over here. Not something very significant or like very complicated. Step number 2 is E raised to negative RF into T. Step number 3 is ln S divided by E, that I have done with the second method. Calculation of D1. Dear students, importantly, throughout the question, we are required to use the revised spot price of equity share. We just have to forget 120 rupees of the spot price, dividend of rupees 5 and 4 months time period information. Remaining everywhere in the question, we have to use the time period of 9 months. These are the small points, however, you just have to be careful. Then calculation of ND1, then D2 calculation, and based on that ND2 calculation, then value of the call, that is call premium, and lastly calculation of the value of the put premium is calculated. This is the sequence in which we have done answer.